Hello and welcome once again in the online classes of palmistry. Today we are going to discuss about the circle. Yes, circle is a very essential part of the palmistry and it denotes some kind of auspicious trends and some inauspicious trends. So it's my request to you, please watch this video till the end and we will give you all kind of informations which you wanted. And do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon by which you get all kind of indications. And if you have any query, just go to the description box and contact me, and you also get the number on your screen too. So let's get started. If the circle is found on the mount of Jupiter, let me take the pen. If you find a circle finds on Jupiter, the person has influential, they certainly gets a higher post by his efforts. Such person also get wealth from in-laws. If you find a circle on the mount of Saturn, this is a Saturn mount. If you find these kind of circles in your Saturn, these people have a tendencies to getting the wealth in sudden way. The sudden wealth will be depicted, and also gets a wealth from the lottery and speculations and gambling. These people are very risk-taking kind of peoples. If the circle is found on the mount of Sun, then the person, let me mark first. If you find a circle on the mount of Sun, that the person is high thinking and has pure, honest thoughts. He becomes famous in the world. This is one of the auspicious kind of indication I would set. If the circle found on the mount of Mercury, this is Mercury mount, it provides a great success in business. Such people have a very good intelligence thinking towards the business, and he will take a good kind of, I would say, decisions. If you find a circle on the mount of Moon, this is your moon. This is not a very good indication. This person have a very weak health and some kind of distress and depression is there. If you find a circle on the mount of Venus, this is your Venus, that the person engage himself in some harmony, and they enjoy the life with full spirit. Some kind of peoples have some sexual problems also there, means some kind of lack of sex thinking, I would say, is there. If you find a circle on the Mars, this is your Mars, uh, makes you some kind of very weak hearted person. The presence of circle on the region of Mars makes a person very weak hearted. And when you find uh, a circle on the lifeline, this is your lifeline, like this will give you weakness in your eyes, and the eyesight will be affected if you find a circle on the lifeline. If you find a circle on the mind line, this is your mind line. If you find a circle over here indicating the mental disease, the tension is there, keep it in your mind, which may cause you some which make you unrealistic decisions. You are not able to make a clear thought or clear cut decisions. If you find a circle on the mount of if you find a circle on the heart line, then it also indicate that some heart disease will be there. If you have a sun line and you have a circle like this, that indicates extraordinary success for the individual. He is quite satisfied with their life. It's one of the auspicious indications as well there. Your faith line is started from here and going towards the Mount of Saturn. It looks straight. My drawing is very bad, so please understand this is a straight line. If there is a circle on the fate line, then indicates ill fortunate for the person. This is not an auspicious indication. It is unauspicious. He faces difficulties throughout his life. If a circle on the traveling lines, like this is the traveling lines, This is traveling lines, different traveling lines. These people's having problems for travelings and find not gaining the money. So these are the some indications, some auspicious indications, some not auspicious indications of circles. So if you like this video, if you like this video, kindly share this video with your friends, even enemies too, by which they understand what he doing his life. Do subscribe, hit the bell icon, share this video, like this video. We will meet soon again. Thank you for watching.